Welcome aboard Google Cloud again. Continue the previous lab. We were running an application for here to save the question from this application to the data store, creating this entity. Now I'm gonna change this method. I also had prepared already. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a data store client, okay, with the kind of here. We're gonna add a filter and try to extract our results, okay, with the correct answer. So we were changing the code for that to change it, doing kind of a select for that. So we save that. So we back here. Okay, we change that. Oh, so let's rerun that again. Let's check the application. Okay, we can just refresh over here. Okay, let's take a test. We can check here GCP. So we see our question we just inserted in the database. So this is the way we are interacting with the data store client with a query. So it's so simple, the query.fetch. So you're overing this entity where we call it question. You can see here, which is the end you're gonna search for. And the filter is quiz. Okay. We search for GCP. We click it on GCP, so we search for GCP. All right. And for that results, we're looping through and getting to these results. So that's why we have this guy. Okay, we can even answer these. I think the send feedback, we're gonna work in field about this. So send feedback's not working. So, but we're gonna check that about the Flask. So the thing is, we could select the things from here. We could select this entity using this piece of code. Okay, that's what I would like to share. So pretty simple working with Python and Datastore. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.